Hello everyone. Have you ever faced a problem that seemed impossible to solve, only to have a sudden burst of inspiration lead you to the perfect solution? Imagine if you could tap into that kind of creative problem-solving ability on demand. What challenges could you overcome? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the importance of creativity in problem-solving, various techniques to enhance your problem-solving skills, how to apply these strategies to real-world scenarios. Let's discuss the importance of creativity in problem-solving. Creativity is not just for artists, it is a critical skill for solving problems in innovative ways. It allows us to see challenges from different perspectives and come up with unique solutions that might not be immediately obvious. Example: the invention of the microwave oven was a result of creative problem-solving. Percy Spencer noticed that the candy bar in his pocket melted while he was working with radar technology, leading to the development of the microwave. Let's discuss various techniques to enhance your problem-solving skills. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a technique that encourages the free flow of ideas without judgment. It allows you to generate a wide range of possible solutions. Example: when tackling a project, gather your team and encourage everyone to share their ideas, no matter how unconventional. Write down all suggestions and explore them later for feasibility.
SCAMPER technique.
SCAMPER is an acronym for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. This technique helps you think about how you can change existing elements to create new solutions. Real-world story. The invention of bubble wrap originally began as a failed attempt to create textured wallpaper. Instead of discarding the idea, the creators repurposed it as a packaging material, demonstrating creative problem-solving and adaptability. Mind mapping. Mind mapping helps organize thoughts visually and explore relationships between ideas. It encourages a holistic view of problems and potential solutions. Example: create a mind map with a central problem in the middle. Branch out with possible causes, related issues, and potential solutions. This visual approach can reveal connections you might have missed. Reverse thinking. Reverse thinking involves approaching a problem by considering the opposite of what you want to achieve. It helps break down assumptions and explore alternative solutions. Analogy: if you're trying to improve customer satisfaction, instead of asking, "How can we make customers happy?" ask, "How can we make customers unhappy?" This reverse perspective can uncover hidden insights. 6 Thinking Hats. Developed by Edward de Bono, the 6 Thinking Hats method assigns different perspectives to problem solving. Each hat represents a different mode of thinking: logical, emotional, creative, cautious, optimistic, and objective. Real-world story. A company used the 6 Thinking Hats method to tackle a complex project. By considering the problem from multiple angles, they developed a well-rounded and effective solution. Closing thoughts. Creative problem-solving is an essential skill that you can develop and refine through practice and the use of various techniques. You can incorporate brainstorming, SCAMPER, mind mapping, reverse thinking, and the 6 Thinking Hats into your problem-solving methods. These methods will help you approach challenges with confidence and creativity. The key to effective problem-solving is to keep an open mind and be willing to explore unconventional solutions. Assignment. Identify a problem you're currently facing and apply at least 2 of the techniques discussed today to generate potential solutions. Reflect on how these techniques influenced your problem-solving process and the outcomes you achieved. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend Thinker Toys, a handbook of creative thinking techniques by Michael Machaco. This book offers a wealth of creative problem-solving tools and exercises to enhance your thinking skills.